Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Cloud Sync for your Google Authenticator app. So here I have my Google Authenticator app open. Now first of all, I want to apologize for taking a video like this instead of a screen recording. And the reason is Google Authenticator actually blocks out screen recordings. All you see is a black screen, but we're going to make the best out of this. So we're going to show you how to do this. Now if I click on this icon, you can see our codes are being saved to our Google account. Now all you need to do is come to the top right, click on your profile icon, okay? You'll see all of these options. Come here and click on Use Without an Account. So I'll just go ahead and tap on this. And there you go. We can see this pop up basically telling us that our codes will be removed from our Google account and the other devices where we're actually signed in, but it will still be available on this device. So I'll come here and click on Continue, right? There we go. And now if you notice, this icon has changed and it says the codes are not being saved to our Google account. And it's really that easy and simple.